afternoon and good evening. It's Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing, and today we're going to be doing a Titan recovery video. And it is raining out there very fast, very heavy, and I am under a very low area. We'll do our best. Gavin's just setting up the winch right now. We'll be with you again in a moment. There he is. Say hello, Gavin.
Good morning, good afternoon and good evening, everybody.
So he says good morning, good afternoon and good evening, everybody. Right, so there he is. He's up there winching. I'm going to stand back just in case this rope snaps. So here we are, we're trying to rescue a Titan Kratos magnet. We don't like to leave magnets behind. We're going to do our best without taking any risks. So as you can see, it is raining out there. It is moving. So he's currently slackening the rope off a bit to see if he can adjust the angle, and we'll see what happens in a moment. He knows what he's doing. The winch is up there. He's the best man for the job, hence we call him Winchman Gavin, after helping to get a cannon in for Dave, Sonic, Jordan and Ray Harper. So we're not too sure that this rope is going to survive, but we're going to do our best as long as we get the magnet. Right, so he's just said that the item in the river, which appears to be a safe, is already open. And that's probably why we're getting stuck on a safe door. So Gavin's just said,
be safe, everybody.
So Gavin's advice, be safe, everybody. And he's right, don't take risks when it comes to getting a magnet back. We're currently just doing a bit more, and he'll be there in a moment. Afterwards we're going to do a bit of general magnet fishing, and we'll try and bring you a video as best as we can under this dark surrounding of a bridge. So just making some final adjustments, and we'll be back shortly. So here we are, he's now winching a bit more. Rope's down there. It is creaking. So as we can see, oh, there he is. He's just winched his very first safe. Look at that, folks. A very, very early safe emerging out the water. It's not every day that you see a safe walking on the water and coming out the water as much as it has like this. Certainly a first for magnetic north magnet fishing. We've had bits of safes, we've had small safes. We've never had one of these before. So Gavin's just winching in again just to get the magnet free. And we are successful. Magnet free, folks, magnet free.
What rather will keep great off.
So come and tell the camera, Gavin.
I've just rescued him.
So he's just rescued a Titan. There we are, look. Kirsty, Michael, your Titan's come back. And what did you find on it other than bits of wire?
More bits of wire.
So the safe is here, it's coming in. It does absolutely smell. Somebody has cut the front off it. The door's missing a bit. Well, the Titan is free. Mike's magnet, so Kirsty and Mike's magnet is now being freed. It's been got out of the watery grave by Gavin, and there has been another rescue of a Kratos magnet. Kratos family, Team Kratos, we do not leave magnets behind, and most of the time we don't take risks either. And so Team Kratos, everybody, Team family, yeah, we've done it again. Titan is rescued out of his grave. Oops, low bridge moment. Stuck underneath the bridge. Oh no, bad news. Well, here we are, and under a railway bridge, former railway bridge, and just pulled this out very early. Piece of timber, joint up, got a round bit on the bottom down there, quite possibly part of a Tudor mill building, or 1600s in date. One very happy chappy. Kratos Magnetics recovered by Gavin, our winchman specialist at Magnetic North Magnet Fishing. And recently he did receive one of the environmental help medals. And from recovering a magnet from right out there, and all the metal that he's recovered since he's been in the group, very well deserved. So big thanks from everybody, and we're going to bring you a magnet fishing video now. So the start of the video title for this one will be a very soggy magnet rescue. So on that particular cast, a bit of a handle, some metal bar, but just here got the remnants of an empty World War II smoke mortar, or normal mortar, totally empty. Alright folks, this has come up. I've no idea what it's from, but it's too far gone really. But it's part of a pew pew. Obviously it's just a bit of metal now. I don't know what it is. It's pretty cool though. So Gavin's down here. What you got, Gavin?
Another cannonball.
Did you hear that? Another cannonball. Look at the size of this thing though. Is it heavy?
Yeah, yeah.
Just lift it up and down a bit. There we go, look folks. It is a round ball. It's unfired because it's got this little casting mark on. Sweetie. That could well be an 8-pounder.
Yeah.
Gavin's biggest one yet, and he's just got this bit of a spade out as well.
It'll come off now.
So Gavin's caught this pulley or wheel bit, and he's gone right inside it, and it's very, very difficult on a 360 magnet to get that off. But he will. He's had this bit here. Bit of wood and iron and a bit of a strap there, just a bit of a bar. So I'm just under here fishing a bit more, see what we get. Something on. Definitely something on. Oh, okay. And that's well and truly well gone. Well, we've got the general wire. It was once the remnants of a pew pew. There we go. Definitely scrap. So just looking at this, it's all cast here. So looking at the bottom, there's nowhere where a magazine could have gone. So that could well have been a replica or something like that. It's just either way, it's too far gone. So I've just had this out. It's a large piece, cast iron guttering, just there. There we go. And the magnet was stuck right in the bottom end there. And we had this bit of cast plate and that flat piece of plate metal and a bit of pipe there. So this is the day's count. We've got very small, larger, my one, and boom, Gavin's. So he's got the sun. I don't know my planets, but yeah, oh, that's all rest on them. Cannonball City over in Sheffield. Look at all that. And this is an absolute belter. This is interesting, this one. Could be a large chain shot. Pick this up on the way. It's not magnetic, but it's still a sign. And Gavin said this gas ring from an old stove. That's going to be 1880, 1900 sort of date, Victorian. And we've just had this broken wheel come out. It would have been a really good find, but it's broken. So this is the scrap that we had from today. It's quite a bit, and I dare say that there may be more. So yeah, quite good. So it's bye from Gavin. Okay folks, so don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and it's bye from me, and thanks for watching everybody. It's been a nice adventure. Magnet's saved, we're safe, so don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. We do love reading what you put. Thanks again everyone, bye for now.